Jindal. Are you able to see the presentation?
Not yet, sir. Your screen is visible.
Yeah, is it visible? Hello, इसमें लिखा है?
It is not visible, sir. Your screen is visible. We can see your folder.
Okay, तो वापस इसको निकाल. इसमें मैं साइड में नहीं. Just a minute. ये ऊपर. चलो ठीक है. Now I there. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Akash.
Yes, sir. Your screen is not visible actually.
Start now. Now I am ready.
Yes.
Are you able to listen me?
Yes, you are audible, but your screen is not visible. That PPT is not visible. Please share again.
Yeah, I will share you. I thought let us first have a interaction first.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we have spent half an hour, and my lecture is on technology only. So you know how technology is important. Huh? Okay, okay, student. Good morning. I think Akash, why the energy is less? Good morning. Yeah, I'm not able to listen. Good morning. Okay. Great. So first of all, this is not a lecture. To be very honest, maybe Akash is giving you the lecture, but I am not giving you the lecture. It is only an interaction. I have already told Akash. I will give you some little bit about the presentations and about my company. So I will share the screen, and then whatever you have question, you can ask me anytime in between also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, great. So today I will talk about the navigating innovations, technology management in textile industries. My name is Piyush Chandarana. This is about me. Presently, I'm working as a business head in a Vishal Fabric Limited, Chiripal Group. My total experience is more than 30 years in various industries. My education is B Mechanical, then I have done an MBA. Previously, I was working with LNJ Denim, which is RSWM Limited, Birla Century, Soma Textile, maybe you know some of these company, and Anil Starch. In my family, myself, my single wife, and I'm living at Ahmedabad. Some rule I just yesterday I was discussing. So first thing, anybody can ask me question in between interaction session. It is not lecture. Secondly, I was just reading here that every person has a 60,000 thought per day in his mind. So when you are interacting with me, there is a lot of thoughts will come in your mind, which is not related to this interaction. So please focus on these interactions. Uh, Even I will speak in English and Hindi because Hindi is our, I mean to say Hindi and Gujarati is a mother tongue. This is because, I just want to ask you people, do you like Madhuri Dixit or your mother?
So my mother.
Oh, great. That's why I may be I maybe speak in Hindi also and sometimes in Gujarati tone also because I'm Gujarati, because I like my mother. Right? It's a lighter part. Uh, Maybe you can give me, I thought it may be a Zoom call or something like this way. That's why I write that if you say me yes, then thumbs up, otherwise down for no. Okay. Let us talk about the Chiripal. I'm going little bit fast because already time has gone. Let us talk about the Chiripal group. I have some video also. We are in a textile, fabric, yarn, petrochemical, packaging solution, education, and robotics AI. This robotics AI is just now started. Other we are already more than 10 years business. Here is some videos which I want to share with you. Maybe it is not
Maybe.
in full screen.
Sir, I think we have got the idea, and
I'm not going to.
voice is
Hello.
not also coming. So yes.
Just
So I was saying that we have got the idea, sir. If you can please proceed
yeah,
ahead because we have
yeah.
got.
I'm going because so it's too long, so it's better. Yeah, this is about the Chiripal group, and I'm in a fabric, Vishal fabric, where we are making a denim. I just want to know, Akash, how much time we have.
So we can have more 30 45 minutes, like 30 to 45.
Okay, okay. So I will go accordingly. That's why.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Are you able to see my presentation? Na?
Not now.
Is it okay?
I
Are you
think you
able?
have unshared. You have to reshare it again.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Now it's okay.
Yes, it's visible now.
Yeah, so Chiripal have a different units. One of the unit is a Vishal Fabrics, where the this is the roadmap. It is a milestone. It is started in 1985 to till date. This is the financial. We are 1,547 crore company. Our EBITDA is 135 in financial 23. This is a small video for Vishal fabric also. I just want to show you little bit and then we'll go through the presentations. Yeah, this is about
Yes.
the Chiripal group and Vishal fabric. We are manufacturing denim. Uh, This I just want to tell you about the denim, how we are manufacturing denim. One video is also there. I am going faster because time is lacking because I have also one meeting. Denim manufacturing, if you go with then there is a cotton, then blending of cotton, spinning, dyeing, weaving, coating, shrinkage, and quality control. One video is there. I will show you some videos so that at least you can see on YouTube also. I will go faster in that. So This is the first stage, yarn production and process. Akash, are you able to listen me?
Sir, your voice is audible, but the video is not.
Yeah,
We are not
video I
able
have
to.
put a mute so that at least I can explain during video. So yeah, this is the yarn production and process. This is what we are doing in a Vishal fabric. You can see the cotton cleaning and the uh, full. I mean to say the carding process is going on. Then this is called a speed frame. This all are the yarn. This is the ring frame, and this yarn is making. Yarn means thread. This is the yarn which we are doing a packing. So this is the first stage of making a yarn. There is various yarn, carded, combed, open end yarn. Various yarn are there. Various blend are there like a cotton yarn, polyester yarn. This is the indigo dyeing. Once the yarn is made, the indigo dyeing was done on the yarn. There was a rope we are making with a different yarn. We are combining it, make it a rope, and then we are doing a dyeing. This you can see the rope is going on. Then we make the beam from that rope. We open the rope and make a beam. Beam is this, you can see this is the beam. Then it is uh, from beam we will do the hello.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
do
You are
the
audible.
weaving. This is the weaving called weaving. Here the fabric will made. Then this is the finishing. You can see the whatever the fabric is made. It is the process. It is a cleaned, washed in a chemical. There is a lot of finishing machines are there, mercerizer are there, then desize is there, heat set is there. Then we are checking the fabric, we'll see the stretch and everything, and also see the shade of the fabric. Then we wash it, and then there is a quality checking. The person is doing a quality check, and whatever the defect of fabric is there, we are downgrade it. This is the packing, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think any question in between? This is, I am talking
You
about the
have.
denim, Chiripal and Vishal. If anybody has any question, you can share with me or you can ask me. I do not want make it boring. So in between, I will also uh, any
Sir, there is a
interaction.
question.
Yeah.
So you mentioned that you guys are also into robotics AI and then you also have the business of yarn. And recently Ajio launched a new thing which they'll be launching in the
Akash, can you? I am not able to listen. Can you tell me again?
Little louder.
so you mentioned that in the yarn business as well as in the robotics AI business, you just stepped into it and you just showed the process of how the yarn is being made in your company. So the next coming year, Ajio is coming up with its future.
Akash, there is a echo is coming, so I think better if you can tell me
Yes,
what
please.
he wants to ask. First, I would like to ask her name.
So she's Navya,
No,
and
no.
she's asking a question about that there will be a new fabric that will be coming up from the Ajio company.
Ajio is using it to make new it's called future fits. It's
So,
change according to the environment.
so it's this fabric changes according to the environment basically. So, is there anything that you can shed light on it, like how that fabric is being made, or will it be a good fit for the market?
I'm sorry, I'm not understood what she wants to ask. Can you just again ask me?
So the question is like, let me just. I'm giving her the phone so she can ask you the question.
Sir, Ajio is coming up. Future
Echo
fits
is
in the
coming.
next year. Sir, Ajio is coming up.
Why echo is coming? I don't know.
Sir, मुझे नहीं पूछना. Sir, I'm
Yeah. No. You can ask. Oh, you are asking very good question. That's why I'm asking. Please.
Sir, Ajio is coming.
So, sir, we will send the question separately, like in the
Better.
chat.
Yeah. Otherwise, you can Akash. You can translate it. What she wants to ask, I can give you immediate reply. She is asking very nice question. That's why.
So she's asking that Ajio is coming up with the new fabric, which is which is changing according to the climate. So,
Yeah.
can you please share?
Yeah, very good question, Navya. I now understand because there was a echo and there is a issue. Navya, a lot of invention is going on in fabric also. Like you said, for the environment, like moisture manage fabric is also coming. Like when you wear it, you will feel 5 degree less in your body. Like if temperature is 40 degree, you feel 35 degree. So there is a chemical is coming which will be used. Second, the innovation is going on sustainability because in fact in India the people are not that much aware about sustainability, but outside India the people are more focused on sustainability. To be very honest, we are using a 20 percentage of fiber which is made from reuse garment. I mean to say, if you give your jeans, I can process it, make it a fiber, and then we make a fabric with them. We get a very good value additions from outside, not in India. When I have asked to sell such fabric, I mean to say made from the reuse fiber or reuse denim jeans, here the people ask that it is not value addition, they ask less money because it is made from the recycle. So awareness is less here, but yes, slowly India will also move on this area. uh, there is a lot of other area also is coming up, like uh, you can also see the online your body temperature. There is also sensor fitted into the garment. So anytime you can see, like in a military, it is required that where the military person is moving, so we connect our fabric with the GPS, and you can see the location of the person also. And there, like a bulletproof fabric is also coming. So in military it is more used, such a bulletproof, then waterproof uh, fabric also. Like if you are moving in a rain, your cloth will not wet. So so many new fabric is coming. We'll go one by one slide also. I will show you how we are also doing in between also. So yeah, Akash, I think whatever the reply I have given, it is in line with what C was asking.
Yes. So there is another question from Tanisha.
Sir, when you mentioned about sustainability and the fact that it is very slow in India, does your company has any incentive because of which they want to increase the awareness? Will it not reduce the profit margins of your company?
You mean to say incentive from government or incentive from customer? What way you want to ask?
Production, you have some sort of profit margin for producing all these textiles. So when you want other people,
Yeah, you are like, if you ask me about sustainability, major sustainability requirement is from the global brands. Like if you ask me Levi's, if you ask me H&M, little bit about the like Aditya Birla and all that. They are also asking nowadays sustainability. In fact, they are also in a local. But yes, we are getting some value addition in that, but not from any government or anything. I mean to say any subsidy or anything.
So the profit margins are higher on those products, sir, which are
Yes,
recycled.
yes. It is a 10 percentage higher in such product. Uh, in fact, I am talking about the product. There is also so many things in a process also. Like if we use less water, then also it is a sustainable. So all the places we are working, like if you use less utility, like in a textile utility, like water, like air, like electricity is more used. So we converted our plant in a solar energy. Nowadays, solar energy is in a boom. We are also going with the solar energy plant at Jaipur also. I mean, so we are making a panel, solar panel in
Right, sir.
India.
Right.
Yeah.
So, Harshit from Ahmedabad. So he is Surat. Surat. So he's from Surat.
So
Harshit.
I'm not able to see him. Can he lift his hand?
This side.
Okay. He's not able to. I mean, I'm not able to see. Yeah, he's from Gujarat. You are Gujarati or what?
Sir, Sindhi, sir.
Sindhi. Okay. But from Gujarat, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Go ahead.
सर जैसे कि आपने बताया कि 20% रिसाइकल्ड फैब्रिक आप यूज करते हैं जीन्स में, सो कस्टमर्स उसको रिस्पॉन्ड कैसे करते हैं, आप उनको मेंशन करते हैं और आपकी प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटेजी क्या होती है उन रिसाइकल्ड उसको लेके, फैब्रिक को लेके?
आकाश ये पूरा गुजराती है भाई.
Right, sir.
ये कस्टमर की ही बात करेगा देखना. ग्रेट क्वेश्चन. इनफैक्ट मैं आपको जस्ट ये बता दूं कि ज़्यादा इंडियन मार्केट में अभी अगर मैं रिसाइकल डेनिम लेके जाऊंगा तो पीपल विल नॉट गिव मी द मनी. आई मीन इट्स अ वैल्यू एडिशन, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. एंड अगर मैं आपके पास आऊं और आपको ये बोलूं कि इसमें 20% फाइबर मैंने यूज़ किया है जो ओल्ड डेनिम से मैंने यूज़ किया है. इनफैक्ट प्रोसेस बहुत लेंथी हो जाती है जब आप रिसाइकल यूज़ करते हो, सस्टेनेबिलिटी करते हो, देयर इज अ कॉस्ट. बट इन इंडिया पीपल विल नॉट पे फॉर दैट. It is my experience because they don't aware about these things. And in fact, I am not able to get fetch the value addition from India. But yes, if I will go with the brand like global brand like Levi's, H&M, Gap, Diesel, they are paying a handsome amount.
Right.
I think
So
my answer is in line.
yes. Any other question? Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
Yes.
please.
so are we planning to implement AI into our manufacturing systems?
So the question is AI. So is there
Yeah,
any?
very good question. In fact, honestly speaking, today itself, I was reading the AI one article. We have started one company called, I have already tell you the name, which will work on the AI. But if you talk me about the textile industry AI, this is more in a fashion. If you see some advertise of one of the online selling people, they are saying that you select your shirt, will give you full combinations of the garment, like bottoms, then purse and belt and all that. This selection will be done by AI. Have you ever seen such advertise? I think this is from Flipkart or some. If you select one your choice, they will give you choice. I mean, you want white shirt, then it will give you the related all the accessory. You have to just select and pick it. This will give you the idea. I mean, they will take your photo also. So they will show you the your photo with that garment and accessory and all that. So yes, definitely AI will definitely help you. In fact, whatever the innovations we are doing in fashions, and they will guide us. I mean, right now what we are doing, we follow some of the I mean the buyer who is suggesting us that okay, make this fabric. But when AI will do a whole analysis from the social media, from the TV show, from OTT, and tell us that this is the in a trend. Today itself, I was reading that article on a newspaper. Maybe I will put into my LinkedIn also, which is very good. I mean, it is showing that there is no need to do because we are more rely on the one person who will do a development or to one team with data, without data. But when you are talking about the AI will collect all the data from the social media, from the TV, from which fabric is moving well. And they will give us the detail that, okay, you make this fabric, this is in a trend.
Right.
I think who has used Chat GPT? Everybody is using?
Most of them are using.
Most of, yeah, yeah. This is good, good. This is really good. Yeah. Some question is there.
Next, yes, next question is from Pari. Yes, sir.
So my question is, how do you manage the balance between adopting new technologies but at the same time maintaining that traditional craftsmanship in the textile industry?
First of all, tell me your name.
Pari, Pari.
Pari. Pari.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Akash, I think her voice is also echo. So can you translate it?
So the question is like, how do you balance between the new technology adoption and the traditional craftsmanship that you are doing in your company? Like, what is the balance? Like new technology, like AI is coming, and then these trends are coming. So how do you balance and check the trends?
Yeah, I mean to say, if you talk me about the new technology or new thing, like if I will tell you about Vishal itself, previously we have KM loom. I mean, say if you see, if you people are more fond of the denim, there is a 3 by 1 quality is coming, which is very rigid denim. If you see, you cannot stretch it. Like if you can do it like this way, you cannot do it. Now the technology is coming. You can stretch it. You can just make a your denim like and stretch it. It will be stretched. So this is again a technology. And if we'll not adopt the technology, we'll out. So definitely balancing is required. Uh, I mean to say, if you see, I will show you some presentations in that. The S chart is very important for the adopting that technology. That also we'll discuss. I will go through the very fast because so question and answer session is going very good. So I'm very much interested. So yes, when you are talking about balancing, sometimes the new technology is also cost to us. So we have to do a payback period for the new investment. Like previously we are using 190 semi loom. So we are getting a very less width, but nowadays the people are asking a wider width. So I have to replace the loom. But then again we have to see the payback for that. Like we want to put the turbine for generating the power. But the turbine cost is more than 20 crore. The payback is a 7 years. So any payback less than 2 years, we are investing. To be very honest, this is the simple rule. But then again, we'll see. I mean, we have to arrange the loan. We have to arrange so many things are there. Whether that product is really move into the market. I mean, so I will install, and then we'll see that there is no market for that product. No meaning to invest. It's maybe a momentary.
Right.
Like mobile life cycle is very slow. Who is using old mobile? I mean, with a keypad? Nobody. Now that the installation of or the keypad mobile, they have invested like anything. The Nokia is out because of that concept. So yes, you have to change yourself with balancing. What you say balancing means we balance payback is there, whether the new product market is really good or not, whether we will get the timely payback for whatever the we have invested, whatever the we have newly developed the product. Yeah.
So, who is the? So Ritika is asking another question, which is about the bamboo fabric, which is coming in the market,
Wow.
and it is anti-allergic for skin protection. So, what is the you can say the demand, and how will it be beneficial for India to produce certain fabrics like that?
Yes. May I know the name again?
Ritika,
Pardon?
Ritika Khatri.
Ritika, are you wearing the bamboo fiber fabric? I just want to know.
Like you using it? So she's using bamboo bath towels basically.
Oh, she's using towel, huh?
Yes,
Great.
yes.
So I think this is a really good. This is a very good question because uh, very limited people ask about the fabric because they don't know what is a bamboo fiber. Bamboo fiber basically a antivirus fiber. I mean to say. Whenever you are using the fabric, there is always virus on the fabric. But in a bamboo, there is and also it is very soft. It's very costly than cotton. We are generally using the cotton fiber, but bamboo is limited people are using because it's very costly and yes, I mean to say the limited demand in the market. So yes, we are also making a bamboo fiber. It is a soft, so we are not using in the denim, but we are using in towel and soft fabric like shirting and all that. So because of its characteristic of anti bacterial and antivirus properties of that fiber. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, last question from Aditi, then you can move ahead with your presentation. Yes.
So my question is basically, like when we are talking about the fabric industry and the fashion industry, it is moving in a very fast rate. In 1 year, the fashion changes, the customer taste and preferences changes. So how about the waste management that we are looking at? Because in India, when we talk about the recycled products are not working.
So with the change in the fashion every year, how you are managing your waste, and because recycled products are also not very well accepted in
Yeah,
the market. So
I
what?
mean to say, yes, I understand how we are measuring. There is a way to get the feedback from customer and the supplier also. I mean, this is a combination of uh, there is a innovation and there is also incremental innovations. Like whatever the product is there, if we do some innovation, I mean, improvement in that, like I need to improve the finish of the fabric. I mean, the feel of the fabric. Now I have to contact the supplier. What type of chemical is available in market? And this is the continuous journey. I mean, so if I will fail to develop some new product or innovating new product, I am out. So how I am doing innovation is because I am getting the feedback from the market, feedback from the various stores, retail stores. We see the customer trend and so how they are buying. I mean, so if I will ask you that what you will see in a fabric, so you will tell me as the same way we will take interview with our customer also. We are not a B2C, but B2B. We are also getting, and same way they will talk to the customer and giving the feedback, and based on that we make a fabric. Like in fabric, it's require comfort, it's require feel, it's require colors. So all this development we are doing by calling supplier also. What is the new with them for the finishes? What is the new with them? New dyes are available in market. So there is a lot of feedback from there, and our development design team is making a such fabric with that. I think my answer is in line with you.
Yes. So let's listen
Yeah,
from you.
let's
Like,
do with some slides what I have made for you people. You can ask me in between also anytime. Are you able to see the slides?
yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. So one question was, what is the technological innovation is required? I think this photograph itself is showing what is the importance. What we are previously and right now, you know, the one of the hero. So technology innovation drive the economical growth, improve standard of living, and foster the competitiveness. Creativity to innovations. So as many people has asked me how you will develop, how you do an innovation. This is the steps. First, we generate the idea by brainstorming. We get the feedback from the supplier. We will get the feedback from the buyers, and we generate the idea. Then we'll do the screening. Like one feedback day before yesterday come that we need more finish in our fabric. So we have a brainstorming sessions. Every people from the his area, like spinning person, like dyeing person, like finishing person, like packing person, like development person, came in that meeting. They suggest their area. Then we'll do a screening. Then we will go with the pilot product manufacturing. We'll see the finish. Then we'll discuss with our buyers that whether this product and finish is good. We'll see the feasibility in a commercial, technically, and then we'll do implementations. So from creativity to innovation, this is the major step. Uh, Technology innovation on society. You can see the from the photo itself. Everybody is using gadgets like mobile. In a Gujarat, we have one festival. It's called Uttarayan. I think you know everybody. On that day, only people will see on the sky. Otherwise, you can see the photo. This is one joke. Uh, so yes, technology innovation on society is obviously communication. You can get the information immediately. Economy is also very much dependent on the innovations. Healthcare also, robotic surgery is going on. Education, you can see I am sitting here, you are there. Still we are discussing. Workforce is also improved. Environment impact is also though. History also, if you see the innovation start, I mean, so it start from the our curiosity, necessity, and improvement. So type of innovations is there is a two type we can say. One is a product and process. Product is basically a new, yeah, yeah. Akash, any questions?
No, 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 sir. Actually, we have discussed this in the, so they are recalling it.
Okay. So it is a product innovations and process innovation. When we talk about the new product, like you say from the keypad to the I mean the screen mobile, this is a product innovations. But if you say ATM, then it is a process. Like in our case also, the stretch fabric is a product, but higher speed, wider with weaving loom is a process. So there is a two innovations basically. One is a product innovation and one is the process. I think this is a simple things which is easy to understand. One is a radical innovation, one is the incremental. Radical is the instant innovations. Like previously, we are using the film type camera. Nowadays, is a digital. So it is a radical innovations. Incremental is one by one new mobile is coming, new model is coming. Apple, you see now I think they are improving like any every day they are coming with a new, every mobile manufacturing people are coming with the new features. So it is a incremental innovations. You can see there is a high uncertainty in a radical because your product will success or fail, we don't know. Then focus is on product, process, service with the unprecedented. I mean to say, simple. If you can understand radical innovation and incremental, you know the what is the parameters. I mean, to say, what is the impact of that?
Right.
If you see the industrial life cycle, like it will start with embryonic, like a slow growth, high price, significant investment, and high risk. Then there is a growth, then stake out, then mature and decline. So the axis is demand and time. So any industry, like if you say the previously the pager making industry, initially there was a huge growth, then stake out, then matured, and then decline. Nowadays, I don't know whether you know, Micromax is making a pager, I think at that time, because I have purchased a pager at that time. And there is a huge, demand of pager. Then mobile come, the industry is now making, in fact, a mobile, but then they are out from the industry. Like Nokia also, same story. So
Right.
now technology is cow. If you see, this is about the industry. This is about the technology, revenue, product, and versus the version or time. Like early adoption, people will adapt the like Apple has adapted the new technology, so Nokia has out. Can we say like this way? So they have adopted, then grow, then there is also again the decline. Uh, Again they are coming with the new camera, new features. Then again they will. I mean to say that there is a growth, like different model is coming. So this is the S curve, uh, and everybody has follows these things for the innovation. There is an innovation window. I mean, so in between there is an innovation window. We have to do something new with that product. Otherwise, we will out from the market, right?
Right, sir.
So limitation here is the assumption on the predictability. You cannot predict how long this product will move in market, or it will grow, or it is a mature. Inaccurate timing, limited scope. This is the S curve limitation I am talking. Then diffusion of innovation, like in any innovation, there is an innovator and adapters. Like innovator is, I mean to say in a timeline, if you see 2.5% at time, then adapter is 13.5, early majority is 34%, late majority is 34, laggards are 60%. This is a rough survey. Uh, if I will give you one example, like laggards means they adapt the technology later. Like my mother, father adapting, screen. I mean to say digital things like mobile, and still they are preferring the keypad. So slowly they will also adapt new technology. So modularity approach for the innovation is basically what I have told you, that like spinning, weaving, processing, there is always module for the innovation. One person will work on the yarn quality when there is a requirement. Then one person is working on the dyeing. One person is working on the weaving, and then it is combined, and then one product will made from the this modularity approach. And this thing is also applicable for any software also. Like if we implement SAP, then there is always a module, like purchase module, finance module. So all modules are there, then it is combined, and then will come with the one product. with that modularity approach. So new product development improvement tools, various tools are available in the market. I mean market, in fact, we are using that, like design thinking. We all meet together, we focus on what is required based on the feedback. Then stage gate a process, like one by one gate is there, then we review that, like one process, second process, third process. Then lean methodology is there, one person is focusing in overall process for the improvement. Then quality function deployment, quality also will put on that what is the quality improvement is required. Failure mode and effect analysis, cross function team is there, project management is there, voice of customers is there. This is the various tool for improvement for the in new product development, involving supplier and buyer, which already I have discussed. We take the feedback loop, enhance collaboration. We sometimes we are also doing a collaboration with the supplier, collaboration with the customer. Quality improvement also, we get the feedback from the market, or we himself we ourselves will discuss and improve the quality, reduce the time to market. Like if you do the collaboration with supplier buyer, then you can also reduce the time to put product in market. Like if you ask me that how much time to put the denim jeans into the market, I will tell you, when we are first we have to make the yarn take it 20 days, then we have to make the fabric, it will get take a 30 days, then we have to put into the garment, it is taking 30 days. So if you want to reduce, the person who will reduce the time, he is the king of the market in today's fashion. And when we come with the after 90 days, when we come with the product, I mean to say demand was will definitely we I mean to either reduce or no demand. So only the thing is, if you make a collaboration with supplier buyer, you constantly touch with them, then such time can we can reduce, increase the innovation, increase. We can also increase the innovation if we'll do the tie up with the involve the supplier or buyer. Customer satisfaction also improve when you talk. You ask your customer that okay, let us do some development, then satisfaction will also improve. Risk mitigations will also be there. So thank you, and inviting all to visit our plant at Ahmedabad. This is an invitation from my side. Uh,
Sir, I think we have a couple of questions students want to ask certain questions.
yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, sure, sure.
So, Bharvi is asking like how important is collaboration with external partners such as universities and research institutions in driving the textile innovation?
Yeah, it is very much important. We have our own schools, and I think you know Asiatic schools and business management, and so many students are also involved and taking various projects from us. We are more interested if anybody wants to join with us for the sustainability projects. If you reduce our dye consumption, water consumptions, there is so many areas, so many areas. Also, we are interested if somebody is interested to come up with some AI. I mean to take a help of AI, and how we can implement into our process. If somebody wants to take a that projects with us, so yes, we are always welcoming, and definitely university and schools, they are helping us. Any testing or anything where we struck up, we take textile university help. So many professors are also connected with us. They definitely help us to develop something quality, improving the quality. So many association is also there.
So, next question is from Ashmita. She's asking like how global supply chain disruption happened in the COVID era, and how did you manage to get rid of it?
May I know the first name?
Ashmita.
Your voice is not coming.
Ashmita, she's asking about global supply chain disruption during the COVID.
During COVID, she is asking.
Yes, yes, yes.
In fact, yes, COVID, so many, the utilization was reduced. Like we are not running the factory for 3 or 4 months. In fact, factory was not running, production also stopped, and after COVID, we got very good orders from global platform. In fact, because the last 1 year people are inside the home, they are not able to buy the fabrics or anything. So yes, purchasing was improved after COVID, after 1 year of the COVID, and that time, yes, every textile industry is on like anything at that time. So this is about the COVID. Yeah.
Yes. I think that's it from our side, and thank you so much for your time, sir.
Great, great. I think still some question is there. If you want to take, you can.
Is asking about like how the blockchain and supply chain management technologies are being applied for traceability. If you are able to tell something about on that in
Can
your
you
company or maybe.
can you repeat the question and speak slowly because echo is coming. That's why.
So he's asking about traceability and transparency in the process of supply chain of managing the textile supply chain, basically.
Yes,
How
yes.
blockchain that is done.
Yeah, transparency and is in fact very important. And I always talk to my marketing people when you are very transparent with the customer. uh, it's very important. And yes, blockchain and what you are saying is very correct. In fact, so many companies are also in that field, and they generate transparency like BCI cotton means. BCI means there is one company who is connected with the farmer, and they always ask mill to pay a right amount to the farmer and right product. So they track it so that transparency will come into that. And some of the brand is asking a BCI certifications also. So this is the one of the example for the transparency. And when you want to do a business or you want to be a leader in market, please, my suggestion is whatever you want to sell it, use, I mean to say whatever the specification you are giving to the customer, give same product. Because here I have seen in Indian mentality, everywhere there is a cost cutting. So whatever we are telling, we are not giving, and we are not obeying. So transparency is very much required. When we are talking about that much weight of fabric we have to give, so many mills are in India, they are not giving, they are giving a less weight or less width or like this way. So what you want to become a market leader, then transparency is very much required. Yes, Akash.
Right. Yes. Any other question? So no more questions, sir. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much
Great.
for accepting the invitation.
Great. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening me. I hope my question is in line with whatever, my answer is in line with your questions. And you can connect me anytime. You can take my number also. If you want to visit our factory also, you are most welcome. We also need you people help. Like you have something new idea in your mind, you can connect with us anytime, you directly to me also, through Mr. Akash also. If you want to take some project, I also am searching some people, I mean the students who are more interested to take some projects. So I can help him personally, I will help. Mr. Akash, you can also coordinate if anybody is interested. And anytime, if you want to have some lecture or anything, you can please invite me.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Thank
so much for.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.